How can we add more columns to a spreadsheet in Google Sheets? The easiest way is to right-click on the column letter, like this column C here, right-click on it, and you have option to add a column on the right or on the left. Let's try on the left, and here's new column now. What if you want to add multiple columns in the same time? So I'm going to try to select 3 columns holding Shift. Alright, 3 columns selected. Now I can right click, and instead of insert 1 column, I see insert 3 columns. So they will always take the number of selected columns and give you option to insert that value again. So this time on the right, I got 3 new columns on the right. But that's not the only way. You can always go to Insert tab here at the top. It will open the whole menu, when you can select columns and again insert 1 column on the left or on the right. Insert columns. Here it is. Alright, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.